Okay, hey everybody, Dr. Jill here. We're going to do something for this next 30 days. I'm going to try to give you some of my pearls. So I'm going to be making videos. They're going to be about 1 to 5 minutes long, depending on the stuff. I'm dedicating this to my team, but especially my Daisy, who's been asking me to make videos for a very long time, and I've been resisting, but this is a perfect time for it. I want to stay connected with everybody. So give us some grace. They're not going to be professional, but we're going to just press through. What we're going to be talking about is just giving you some tips and some pearls and wisdom and some guidance. We'll come up with a joke. We're going to have some scripture. We're going to give you some things to make some goals. We're going to help you with prevention and how to plan for what's coming. So what I want you to do is get some pen and paper out. I want you to be taking notes, write things down, and I want you to set some goals. We're going to kind of put some things out there. I want you to set some goals for yourself. Make yourself better. At the end of this thing, when we look back, are we going to be better for this, or are we going to be stuck where we are, or we're going to be behind? So let's keep moving forward. So we're going to give you some things to think about being grateful for, to put into your gratitude journal, and just try to fill your mind with some positive stuff. So we are going to do I'm going to try to do one video a day for about maybe about 20 of these things, different topics. And I want you to share these. You can, we're going to Facebook them or whatever all that means, Instagram, that'll be on our website, email, however we're going to get it to you. If you have any ideas or some ideas of something that you want me to talk about, send it over, and if I can get to that, we will. And then we're also going to still be doing tele visits, which is sometimes I might be over the phone with you. We're going to try to come up with some different remote things. So for any of those, we're going to have you fill out a form, a waiver, so that we know that you've given us permission to check you, and we can do these when we're not together, to do a visit. But my doors are still open, and so we are being very diligent with pre-screening everybody and making sure we're keeping to all the guidelines of being able to stay open. So also, just the benefits of chiropractic, getting adjusted. Right now, we might not be taking new patients necessarily, but if you are a patient, it's a great time to get checked because boosting your immunity. And like I said, we're doing really thorough pre-screening. So everyone that's coming in is going to be safe. So what we are going to also think about is we're going to give you some scripture, like I said, we're going to pray. And there was something I just heard recently about how a cow weathers a storm. A cow typically runs around and tries to get away from the storm, whereas a moose runs toward the storm, and they get through it much faster. So one of the things that we're going to just try to do is, if it's 30 days, if it's 30 weeks, we don't know. But what we do know is that we're going to get through this, and we will be on the other side of this at some point. And what's it going to look like for us then? So let's just try to keep moving. My thing is going to always be, don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. Wash your hands. Stay healthy. Keep a positive attitude, and live your life well.